Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 9 of the same exercise, that is 10.5. We'll do the continuation of it. We have already done few questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So here we'll start with question number 5. So write down the inequations describing the region shown in each diagram. So this is the first one. So now you can see this, the number line, this is given, and we have to write the equation. So now see here, you can see there is a dot here, and here, and then this says this is continued. So what we can see, there are the negative integers and the positive integers, and here are the dots, means it starts from here -1. So we can say minus, will be, this says that it is greater than -1, or it will be equal to, because even -1 is included. So we can put here. You can stop it here, and then you can put a dot. That means it continues, because it says that it is, this is already given, sorry for that, because here we have to write this equation. So this is already given. This says that there is -1 is included in it. So, and there is dot here, means -1, 0, 1, 2, means these are the integers, because in the integers we have all the negative ones, 0, and the positive numbers. So we have here negative ones, 0, and all the positive ones. But here this is already, these are the dotted ones given. So we can say that is x is equal to, or that is greater than or equal to, because equal to means we have to include this -1, and it is greater than, because you can see here greater than -1, and then this dash just means it goes on continuing. So we can say x is greater than or equal to -1, and then we'll put a comma, and this is x, that is belongs to I. This I, capital I, means that is for integers. Now here this is already given. So now you can see here, this is a dotted line here and here. So now we can say it starts from 1. So when it starts from 1 means, you don't know, natural numbers, they always start from 1. So 1, 2, 3. So we can say here, this, there is only 1 and 2, and 3 there is nothing here. Neither there is a dotted one over here. So it is fixed. So we can say this is x is less than or equal to, that is 2. So this is x is less than or equal to 2, and we can say x belongs to, that is n. Now here the dotted line is here on, and here is dot here, means it goes on. So we can say this, and here we can see all the negative and this one. So we can see here x is less than or equal to, that is -2, because we have to include -2 also in that, because here that is, so we can say less than or equal to -2, because you know in negative integers the bigger number means it is going to be less. So this -3 will be lesser than -2. So but then this will go on, but then these are the negative ones and the positive one numbers are given here. So that is x belongs to integers, means that is I. Here we can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So 0 is included, means these are the, you know, in whole numbers, that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So we can write here, but here it is going on, means it is increasing. So we can say x is greater than or equal to 0, and x belongs to this one, that is w, means this is the whole number. Solve the following inequalities. So now what will you do here? This part, this is the left hand side, we can consider this is less than or minus, this is -1. So this one, which is in the numerator, we'll write it here. This 4, this is divided by 4, we'll take this on this side. So that will be 4 into -1, that is going to be -4, and this is the less than sign, so this will be here. So now what will you do? We'll keep this 2x here, this is the sign same, this is the same, and this will take on this side, so that is going to be +7. So now this is the same, this is the same. So +7 - 4 So that is going to be 3. So x is going to be less than this 3. This is multiplication, so this will get divided. So this is now improper one, so we can write 3 divided by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 1. So that is going to be 1 integer 1 by 2. So this is here. So this is the answer. Now again here the same, this part we are going to write it here. This we will take 2 on this side, so that will get multiplied. So 2 into 3, that is going to be 6. And this is going to be the same. Now we'll keep this 3x on the left hand side. This is 6. This is the same. Minus 8 will go here. That is going to be plus 8. This is the same. This is the same. This part is going to be 14. So here x is going to be 14 and here this is going to be divided by 3. So now again this is the improper one. So 14 divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 2. So it is going to be 4 integers 2 by 3. So this is 4 integers 2 by 3. Now see here, this is slightly different. What we can do here, we can write for this one. Now you can see this minus 5 is less than or equal to 4x plus 7, and this is less than or equal to 17. So in the this is the we can call this the middle part. So this you can see plus 7. So this will be, if you are taking this side, that also is going to be plus 7. This will be minus 7. So what we can do for this, we can consider this the first, the second, and the third. For every place we are going to put minus 7. So now what will you do? Minus 5, minus 7. So now here 4x plus 7, again here minus 7. And here we can put 17 minus 7. So this step is very important. Hope this is clear. Everywhere we'll put here minus 7. So now what will you get here? So or you can also do the second way. Instead of doing this step, you can take this on this side, that is going to be minus 7. Again here plus 7. If you are taking here, that will be this side, that is going to be minus 7. And in between the C, it should be like this, minus 5 less or sorry here, minus 5 minus 7, because you are bringing it here, it is going to be minus 7. This 4x will be as it is. This will be again, this plus 7 will go here. So that is going to be minus 7. You can also put this step instead of putting this one if you get confused with this plus 7 and minus 7 anyways. So now see here, this will be minus 5 minus 7 means minus 12. We add it together but put the minus sign. This plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled. So this will be 4x and this will be 10. Rest all the things, this remain the same. So 17 minus 7, that is going to be 10. So now what again you can do here, you will see again the middle part, that is the middle term. So here this will be 4, this is 4x, so we just want x over here, so this should be divided by 4. Since this you are going to divide by 4, this also should be divided by 4, this also should be divided by 4. That is the step I have written here. So now what will you do after dividing by 4? 4 ones are 4 threes are, this 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Here we can simplify this one. This will be 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10, so that will be 5 by 2. Or also you can write here, now see here, 10 into this will be 4. So 4 twos are 8. That is going to be 2. So 2 integers 2 by 2. That will be 2 integers 2 by 2 means 2 ones are 2. Sorry, that will be 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 integers 1 by 2. Anyways, you can do it. So either you cut it or you can just divide and see, you get 2 integers 1 by 2. And this will be this and this gets cancelled. That is going to be x. And here will be minus 3. So this is the final answer. Now represent the following inequalities on a number line. So again, this is given. So now here you can see 6x plus 9 is less than 45. X belongs to n. N means this is a natural number. So now what will you do here? This 6x you will keep here. This the same, this the same, because this is already on the right hand side. Plus 9 you will take on the other side, that is going to be minus 9. So 6x the same, this the same. So this part is going to be 36. So x will be, that is 36, and this is going to be divided by 6. So x is less than 6. So now what will you do? You have to, they said, you have to represent it on the number line. After solving it, you have to represent this on the number line. So x is less than 6. So it is less than 6 means, now see here, now they are the first thing is very important because it's given, it belongs to the natural number, and you should know the natural numbers. Again and again I'm saying the natural numbers means it should always start with 1, 2, 3 and so on. There is no 0 in it. So here I have drawn a number line. You can draw as many numbers as you want, but then the number starts from 1 and not 0. Even if the 0 is given, that is just given additional, you have to start from 0, and it is less than 6 means you don't have to include 6 in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you have to just put a dots over there, so you don't have to include this 6 in it, but you have to write it. That shows that that is like some of the numbers should be continued. So hope this is clear. Now here 7 plus 4x is same thing is written here, but this belongs to this the whole number. Whole numbers means it starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. So now we'll take this x on one side, 4x. This is greater than 21 and this will go here, that is going to be minus 7. So 4x is greater than 14. 21 minus 7 will be 14. So here x will be 14 divided by 4. Because this is multiplication, it will go on the other side. That will be 2 2s are 2 7s are. So 7 by 2. So either you can 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. This will be 1. So remaining that will be 3 integers 1 by 2. Or this half means that will be 0.5. We can write both ways. Either you write 3 integers 1 by 2. We can also write here 3 integers 1 by 2 or 3.5. So I have written here 3.5. So it is easy to, because we are going to draw a number line. So just I wrote here 3.5. So now it is greater than 3.5. So we can write here, we can start with 0, the whole numbers, and it is greater because it says that is, it belongs to whole number. So I started from 0, but greater than 3.5 means it will be, you will start from 4, 5, 6, and you are going to put a dots means because it will go on, because it is greater than, it's not says just equal to, but it is, so it will go on. Now here again, here I have shown you the previous one. As I said, this minus 5 will go here, so that is going to be plus 5. This can remain as it is, and this is going to be 15, but then again this minus 5 will go on this side, that is going to be plus 5, and this x belongs to here n. So these are the natural numbers. So this is going to be 8, rest all the same here, and this is going to be 20. So this step is very important. See, once again I will repeat, this minus 5, you have to look at the middle one. So this one and this one, so the middle part. So this will go here, that is going to be plus 5, and this will also go here, so that is going to be plus 5 on the right hand side here. So this will be 8, same, and here 20. So now what will you do? You are again now this part and this part. So you are going to look at the middle one. So yes, you are going to divide it by 2. So this also should be divided by 2. This also should be divided by 2. This is the step here. So this is going to be 4. This and this goes cancel. This will be 10. So this is the answer. So now we are going to show this one on number line. So what does this say? That is the number between this 4 and 10. So what it is, and it is also given here equal to, and here also equal to, means both are inclusive. Even 4 and 10 we have to include it. And it's given here natural number. Natural number means we are going to start with this one, 1. So here what will you do? Both are inclusive means from 4 to 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is given specific. So we don't have to put a dots over here. So because it is ending on 10. Now list the whole numbers which satisfy the inequality 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 7. So here it is less than 7 means we don't have to include this number, but here because it is equal to means we have to include the 2. But then we don't have to include 2 means it should be here 7 means here we should be the last number should be 6. So in between 2 and 6 here. So the whole numbers here, we have to include which satisfy this one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because 2 is inclusive because this is equal to. List all the integers which satisfy the inequality. So now look at here minus 6 and this minus 3. But here what you can see, this is not equal to. So you don't have to include this minus 6. But here there is equal to. So you have to include this minus 3. So how are you going to write here? Before this minus 6 is going to be minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4. But you have to include because this is equal to. You have to include this minus 3. Write the 5 fractions which satisfy the inequality 1 divided by 9, that is less than x is less than 1 by 3. So what will be that? So you will write the numbers in between this one. So that is going to be 1 by 9 to 1 by 3. So now look at here. So we'll see here from 1 by 4 No, sorry, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, and 1 by 4. So now by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.